Hey there, yogis. Welcome to High Vibe Health's yoga tutorial. Today we're going to be doing Sun Salutation A. Begin standing at the top of the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up high to the sky, shoulders down, maybe palms touch. Exhale, fold forward, hinging at the hips, reaching the crown of the head towards the mat. And another inhale, flatten the back. Exhale, plant the hands and step back to a high plank position. Exhale, lower down chaturanga. And inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, lift the hips. Downward facing dog. Reaching the chest towards the tops of the thighs. Pressing firmly into the hands, heels reaching towards the mat. On an inhale, come onto your toes and step your feet to meet your hands. Inhale to lengthen, again halfway, flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, arms reach overhead to rise, palms touch, gaze to the thumbs. And then exhale, samastitihi, hands in prayer position at the heart. Thank you guys so much for watching. Namaste.